4 reasons why energy healers should use social media. Hi, I'm Binahtiyah from AwareMultimedia.com. I create content for entrepreneurial energy healers, light workers in the spiritual business. If that's you, continue watching. It's important for energy healers who are new to the energy healing business and have not yet established their unique presence on all the different social media platforms to actually get themselves started. It's also important for those who have been in the business for a number of years to stay connected with their current clients as well as their potential new clients. With the rapid development of technology, it's really important for energy healers to foster a relationship, whether it's virtual or in reality, especially during sessions. So while you're having sessions, you get to connect with your client, you get to know them, but what happens when they are not in your presence? What happens when they are not in your office or in your sessions? That's why social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and others are a great way to stay connected with your clients or potential clients. Why you need to be consistent on social media. As an energy healer, it takes energy to do what you do for your clients and with your clients. Never mind the process of creating social media content on a consistent basis. Here are some of the reasons why it's important to stay consistent on social media. Your followers know what to expect and when to expect it. It builds trust with your client or possible customers. It also shows your authority in the subject that you're talking about, in the business that you're in the niche that you're in. It helps to build your confidence and discipline when it comes to being consistent on social media. I know about that. It helps you to stand out amongst the numerous seas of different niches in the industry. As well, when you do it on a consistent basis, the algorithm pushes out your content for more eyes to see. Why it's important to build brand awareness. It's important to have a plan that takes you from stage to stage so that you know exactly what to post, when to post it, how to post it. It gives you something to follow, such as having a recognizable look, tone, and feel to your business. Doing this helps customers or possible clients to be able to feel comfortable with your services as well as your products. Having a brand also helps people to be aware of what services that you have to offer. And when they're able to recognize your brand colors or a slogan that you would normally say or a look, then it makes them more comfortable to do business with you. Building a strong brand helps influence your customers when it comes to purchasing or when it comes to their decision to purchase from you. Having a recognizable brand helps you to achieve your business goals, increase traffic to your website, helps you to generate leads and possibly sales. Number 3, being able to connect on a deeper level with your clients is very important. It's a process that obviously takes a little bit of time. When they are able to connect with you on an emotional level, then doing business with you is a lot easier. They need to be able to trust you. They need to be able to feel like they know you. Having a social media presence or using social media platforms helps you to connect in an authentic way with your possible customers or with your current customers. Using your social platform helps you to have a creative voice. You get to express yourself. They get to see you as somebody who they come to for help, but then they get to see you as the human side because you are a person who has ups and downs just like them. It's great from time to time that they get to see that aspect of you. Using social media platforms gives your customers a way to connect with you as well as communicate with you. Number 4, why you should use social media to make money, of course. It's absolutely all right for spiritual healers, for energy healers, for light workers to make money online with your spiritual business. It's all right to monetize your purpose because you are doing a service. You are here providing a service. There are many different ways of making a living doing what you love to do. You can create your own products and services, sell other people's products and services, or offer coaching products or coaching programs that help other people to achieve their personal goals or their business goals for that matter. And you get the opportunity to present all that you have to offer on social media. Make sure that you download your copy of the Reiki Demo Kit to help you to get started on your social media posting on a consistent basis. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and bye for now.